Looking for a better market to invest in? You don't need to live here to benefit from the growth in Jacksonville. JWB does the work for you. At JWB, we've acquired over 3,000 rental properties, built over 2,500 new construction homes, and currently manage over 4,500 properties, all in one market since 2006, Jacksonville, Florida. Because we believe it is the ideal market to benefit from passive income and growth. In other states, you can earn positive cash flow as a real estate investor, but you won't maximize your return on investment because they lack the recipe for success. That's what makes JWB and Jacksonville different. Jacksonville, Florida is home to the perfect combination of low home prices, high rental rates, and high property appreciation, making investing here so appealing. Population growth is an indicator of rent price and home price appreciation in the long run. According to recently released U.S. Census Reports, from 2017 to 2019, Jacksonville's metro population grew 3.6% over the previous year, which made it the fifth fastest growing large metro with at least 1 million residents in the entire country. During the same time, the U.S. population growth was just 1%. Adding over 54,000 people, Jacksonville welcomed 75 new residents a day from 2017 to 2019. This type of robust population growth in Jacksonville has been happening for decades. As a result, Jacksonville's home prices have appreciated 25% more on average than other comparable cash flow markets since 1982, like Dallas, Kansas City, Memphis, Birmingham, and Cleveland. Another rare benefit Jacksonville has compared to other markets is a local, experienced, and trustworthy, vertically integrated company like JWB. Having our award-winning, innovative company in the market to provide all of the services you would need to be a successful rental property owner means being able to invest without the headache and makes it a passive investment and makes it a truly wonderful experience. It also means you're positioned to outperform a typical Jacksonville investor. JWB has delivered more than $49 million in passive income to our 1,300 clients across the world. But get this, because of our vertically integrated approach, our clients have also gained 79% more home price appreciation than the overall Jacksonville market since 2013. That's the power of VI. It's time to take control of your future. Let JWB do the hard work for your investment so you don't have to.